Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly beans. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 4 packets of unflavored gelatin. You will also need a candy thermometer and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This fun project involves a few simple steps, starting with preparing your syrup to a specific temperature for the perfect texture. To begin, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat and stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches precisely 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving the correct jelly bean consistency. Once your syrup reaches the target temperature, remove it from the heat. Quickly whisk in 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, your chosen flavor extract, and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to thicken. Carefully pour the entire flavored syrup onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, spreading it evenly. Let it sit undisturbed at room temperature for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to set firmly. After the jelly bean mixture has fully set, carefully peel it off the parchment paper. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the sheet into long strips, then cross-cut those strips into small, bite-sized jelly bean shapes. For a classic finish, toss the freshly cut jelly beans in a bowl of granulated sugar. Store your delicious homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.